Hi everyone, let's discuss about HTML lists. So we have unordered and ordered types of HTML lists. So UL tag, it represents the unordered lists that displays a list of items in a bullet points, and no specific order or sequence is implied in case of unordered lists. And coming to ordered lists, it is denoted by OL tag that displays a list of items in a number sequence. Third one is nested lists. We can nest lists by placing one list into another for a hierarchical structure. So now let's discuss it with the basic code. Firstly, we will create an ordered list. So it is represented by UL tag. Inside that we have lists, item 1. Okay. So this UL tag, what it will do? It will create unordered list. That is, it will display a list of items in bullet points. These are the list of items. It will be represented in the bullet points because of UL tag. So let's move to the browser. So we can see item 1, item 2, item 3. These are in the bullet points because we have used UL tag. Okay. So now let's see ordered lists. It is represented by OL. Okay. So let's copy this. We'll place it here. Okay. Now let's move to the browser and see. This is the order list 1, 2, 3. It is coming in the number sequence. So it displays a list of items in a number sequence. So it is useful when the order of items matters. Okay. So we have seen unordered and ordered lists. Unordered list denoted by UL tag and ordered list OL tag. Okay. And third one is we can nest the lists by placing one list into the another. Let's say we have a UL tag here. Okay. We have list. Let's say we have category 1. Category 1. Okay. And inside this list we have an order list UL tag list. We have sub item 1. Similarly we have sub item 2. Okay. After this list we have another list, that is the category 2. Okay. So now let's see in the browser. This is the example of nested list. Okay, we have list. Okay, this is the example of nested list. Inside this li tag we have another UL tag. Now let's see in the browser how it looks. See, this is how nested list is looking. Okay, so we have done the nested list by placing one list into the another. Okay, so this is the example of lists in HTML.